Hey guys, today I want to talk about machine learning. My interest in machine learning started out of curiosity back in high school, but it quickly became a serious passion because of its amazing potential to change things. When I was 16, I even designed my own robot, Mayo 3, that could walk, talk, and climb stairs. The parts were way too expensive for a kid like me, who only got pocket money for ice cream. So I planned to use silicon to build Mayo tree's body. I learned 18 languages solely by working systematically and learning patterns. Later, as I got older, I dove into nanotechnology, large language models, generative AI, neural networks, and AI at the university in Norway. This journey has been incredibly fulfilling, allowing me to explore the intersection of technology, languages, and artificial intelligence in exciting ways. At its heart, machine learning is about teaching computers to learn and make decisions from data without being explicitly programmed. It's a part of AI that lets systems get better at what they do over time through experience. What really hooked me was how it could tackle tough problems that were once thought impossible or needed human smarts. One of the coolest things about machine learning is how it works across so many areas, from healthcare to finance. I wrote articles about healthcare, self-driving cars to Netflix suggestions. These algorithms are shaking up industries and everyday life. The idea that a well-trained model can crunch tons of data, find patterns, and make decisions that are spot on, it's just mind-blowing. And the methods behind machine learning are a playground for learning and discovery. There is supervised learning, where models learn from labeled data. Unsupervised learning, for finding patterns in unlabeled data. And reinforcement learning, where agents learn by trial and error. Each one has its own puzzles to solve and rewards to find. The mix of math, stats, computer science, and knowing the field you're working in is what makes machine learning so brain-tingling and satisfying. It's about understanding data twists, picking the right tool, reading the results, and making things even better. But it's not just about tech. Machine learning is about teamwork and new ideas too. The community around it is full of thinkers, builders, and fans who share what they find. That spirit of teamwork and collaboration doesn't just speed things up, it helps people from different fields learn from each other. I use the spirit of teamwork in my filmmaking journey as well. As I dug into machine learning, I saw how it could tackle big problems we face, predicting diseases from data, saving power with a smart energy, giving better tips online. There is so much we can do with it. And the more I learn, the more I see how much it's like growing up. You start with an idea, gather what you need, try things out, and keep fixing till it clicks. And with the world watching, you have to ask big questions about what is fair and right. You see, it's not just a puzzle, it's about doing good. By the way, I wrote a book about it. It's around 550 pages. And if you're interested in technology, grab your copy. Have a good day. Maria Johnsen is signing out. Bye.